Friends, exercise 4.4, it's question number 3 and question number 4. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth? Length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meter square. If so, find its length and breadth. Here friends, first we assume length breadth से twice है, length twice है. So friends, we assume here let the breadth of a rectangular mango groove, the breadth be x. Let the breadth be x. The length is twice. So length is, its length is 2x. Once again, let the breadth be x. Length is twice. So length is 2x. Breadth be x, the length is twice, so length is 2x. Now friends, its area is given. Here is a rectangular field, so its area is given. Here this is 2x, this is x. Area of rectangle is 800 meter square. So we write area of a rectangle is equal length into breadth. It is 800 meter square. Length दिया है x, हम लिखेंगे इधर length into breadth में l की जगह पे लिखेंगे 2x and its breadth be x. This 2 we take in denominator, x2 800 by 2 is equal x into x square. So 400 is equal x square. So x square minus 400 here is 0. This 400 I take this side, it became minus. Now friends, we have to compare it with our quadratic equation. Compare with 0 is equal to x square plus bx plus c. Friends, x square के साथ है, x square के साथ 1, so a is equal 1, b is equal, इसमें x वाला टर्म नहीं है, so b is equal 0 and c is equal minus 400. The discriminant, we find the value of abc once again here. Ax square, x square के साथ है, x square के साथ 1, so a is equal 1, b is equal 0 and c is equal minus 400. The discriminant b square minus 4ac in place of b 0, 0 square minus 4, a की जगह पे 1 and c की जगह पे minus 4 double 0. 0 का square 0, negative negative positive, so plus 1600. We can see the value of b square minus 4ac is plus 1600. So we can say the given quadratic equation has two distinct roots. Here, the value of b square minus 4ac is equal positive integer. So the given quadratic equation has two distinct roots. X is equal minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equal minus the value of b 0 plus minus here is 1600 2 into a की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे 1 So x is equal, here we can say the root of it, ये तो 0 है, तो इसका रूट क्या होगा? प्लस माइनस 40 by 2. So x is equal 40 by 2 and x is equal minus 40 by 2. X is equal 20, x is equal minus 20. The breadth negative, not possible. So x is equal 20 and length is equal to x, 2 into 20, so it will be 40. So we can say the length and breadth are, length कितना मिला हमको? At last we write here, thus the length is 40 meter and the breadth is 20 meter. So this is our answer, friends. So we have to solve this sum on this way. It's very easy and very simple. Okay. Now we understand the question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Dear friends, we assume here, let the age of one friend be x. अगर आप दो assume करेंगे तो भी आंसर आएगा. Let the age of one friend be x. Let the age of one friend be x, and the sum is 20. The sum is 20. So the age of the second friend B 20 minus x. दोनों का एज का एडिशन 20 है, तो एक का एज अगर हम x बोलते हैं तो दूसरे का क्या होगा? 20 minus x. कैसे समझो? ये टोटल 20 है. अगर हम बोलते हैं कि एक का एज x है तो दूसरे का एज 20 minus x तो पूरा 20 है. x है, ये 20 है, 20 में से x जाएगा तो a बचेगा. सो दिस इज 20 minus x. सपोज मैं इसको 7 बोलता हूं तो 20 minus 7 कितना होगा? 13. 20 minus 7 13 होगा, लेकिन 13 हम लिख सकते हैं. 20 minus x का सिंप्लीफाई नहीं होता है. 20 minus x, the age of the second friend. Now friends, here 4 years ago, 4 years ago, their age is x minus 4. Sorry, we don't write their age is. The age of first friend is x minus 4, and the age of the second friend is 20 minus x minus 4. 20 minus x, 20 minus 4, 16 minus x. Their age product is given 48. The product is 48. So we write here x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal 48. Now friends, x into 16, 16x. X into minus x square. 4 into 16 minus 64. Minus 4 into minus x plus 4x. That 48 we take this side, it became minus. Is equal 0. Minus x square, 4x plus 16x, 20x, 64, 68, sorry 64 and 48, 60, 40, 100, 112 is equal 0. बड़े का साइन, बड़े do sum of the two terms because similar sign. बड़े का साइन करो, दोनों का एडिशन because similar sign. Now we take minus common here, तो इस सबका साइन या दोनों साइन -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो ये x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal 0. Now this equation we compare with our standard form. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal 1, b is equal minus 20 and c is equal 112. C is equal 112. So we write here the discriminant D is equal, sorry डिस्क्रिमिनेंट को ऐसे तो B बोलते हैं, डेल्टा बोलते हैं, मैंने बेसिक वीडियो में आपको बताया है. Here b square minus 4ac in place of b we substitute minus 20 square minus 4 a की जगह पे 1 और c की जगह पे 112 minus 20 square का स्क्वायर होगा 400. here minus 448 minus 8, this is negative value, so its roots are not possible. Here we write the equation has no roots, so the given situation is not possible. The given situation is not possible. So this is the answer friends. इसमें मैं एक बार फिर से समझा दूं कि b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का वैल्यू नेगेटिव आया है तो इसके रूट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का वैल्यू नेगेटिव आया है तो इसके रूट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. we cannot find roots when the value of the b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If b square minus 4ac's value is less than 0, we cannot find roots of this quadratic equation. And here, the value of b square minus 4ac is positive integer, so it has two distinct roots. So we find here length and breadth. Enjoy these two sum friends. Thank you very much.